So the last time we talked about moving borders from AgOS into Google Earth, just so you could do maps and stuff with them, um, I showed you a way to move a single file, which was great if you only had a single file to move. However, if you had a bunch of them, it got pretty tedious. So I've been doing some work on how to do this a little bit better, and I'll show you a different way. If you go to your fields that you want to do, like let's just say I want to do all these, go to the map view in AgOS. That'll give you this option to download the shapefile. Just go to each field and just download them. You see them show up down there in the bottom tray of your AgOS. That just means that it's putting them in the downloaded file folder. So you can see that I've got them all downloaded down here, and I'm just going to minimize AgOS and go to that folder. The download file folder is always in this PC right below it. So if you click on that, you'll see that I've got all my files in here. The next thing I want you to do is go out to the internet and just use Google to search for a program. It's called 7-Zip. You can just Google it up, 7-Zip, go ahead and download it and install it. It's just another form of uncompression or compression file formats, but it allows us to do this because it'll not just unzip one folder at one time, it'll let you do multiples. It's really easy to install. It should be just a click and an install. When you get that done, you should be able to take these, just select them all. You can do it either by that was just a drag and a drop, or you can select them and put a check in the box. If you get them all like that, you right click, you should see the 7-Zip icon. Just say extract here, and you'll see that it will extract all the file folders. You know, for a shapefile, it's actually 3 files, so it's going to put them all in here, all the DBFs, SHX, and then these are actually shapes. I've got my shapefile set so that this icon, just so it's easy to see. But again, I'm going to show you the trick. So let's just put that over there on the right hand side of the screen. We'll go ahead and bring up Google Earth here. I'll put it on the left. I'll bring these down so I can see all my folders, files. Okay, and just, oops. I'll just select these if I can get it right. Oop. Might have to do it manually this time. It's too compressed. So once I've got that there, I'm just going to hold down my left mouse button and just see that 7 there. Yeah, I pulled one too many. Hold on a sec. Let me get rid of that one. Just going to hold down my left mouse button, drag them all over here. Just can't help but win there. Pull them all over into Google Earth. Okay, and let go. Just say no to each of these. It'll bring them all in. They'll be invisible at this point, but you can see them stack up over here. Okay, before you try to turn them on or do anything like that, just take them from your temporary file and right click on that and hit copy. Then go up to your My Places folder, right click on it and hit paste, and you'll see your temporary shows up. What you want to do at this point is actually exit Google Earth. That's what saves it to your, you can discard these, but it will save it to your actual KML file that Google fires up on. So once you've got it fired back up, we should see that folder. It'll still say temporary files, but it'll be up above here. And now, if I put a check mark in it and click on one, you'll see that I've got borders in there. They're all colored, and there's multiples. So then you can add text or whatever you want to do to make them, stand out, or if you want to put them in some other way. But they're in your folder now. They won't go away. They're solid. They'll be there until you erase them. So that's a quicker way to move more than one file. So try that, and if it doesn't work, give me a call.